Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I am testing out the Wet n Wild and Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas collection. I've honestly had this sitting on my floor for a few weeks. I wasn't going to film, but I was like, you know what? I'm actually really curious to see if this collection is as good as I've seen floating around the internet, if you will. So we will be testing an entire collection, or the entire collection, if you will. We have a primer, we have a blush slider, we have, let's see, a highlight and contour, an eyeshadow palette. We have what seems like 2 liquid eyeliners, tubing mascara, glosses, and then some lip oils as well. And then this is a body glitter illuminator, so right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know your thoughts on this collection at the end. Make sure you stay tuned. And with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's testing out this collection. Let's see if it's worth it. So let's jump right into the base, because I think that is what I'm mainly excited about, because this is the first primer that I know of from Wet n Wild that is like a sticky grippy primer. So this is called the Sticky Serum Primer, and it contains 5% niacinamide, which is pretty much the same as like the niacinamide Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. So this is my e.l.f. one, and this is the new one from Wet n Wild. We're gonna see how good it is, because I don't know, Wet n Wild doesn't disappoint usually when it comes to like their base products. So let's see what this is all about. So far, this already feels extremely tacky. Look at that. And it hasn't even fully set. Like, I'm literally still trying to dab it into my skin, and it's already feeling really sticky, which is a really good thing. So far, I really like this. Like, I can really feel the stickiness on my skin. Don't know that I like it on my hands, but for my face, obviously, I would ideally like for this to be as grippy as possible. Unfortunately, I don't have any Wet n Wild foundation, so I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour skin tint in the shade 310. But this is making my skin look super good, so I really like that. I'm going to just take this straight on the face and apply it. Foundation looks super dewy, which I don't mind, but I didn't apply a matte primer today, so I know I'm gonna be oily. So if you want your foundation not to only stay all day, but also to be a little more like luminous, then definitely try this. Oh my gosh, this is actually really good. I am so glad that I decided to try this. So far so good. I mean, we've only tried one thing, so let me relax. Let me not get too hyped yet. Next up in the collection is the contour and highlighting little wand thing, which has Jack. I think that's his name, right? Jack. I've seen this movie like a handful of times, but my little sister loves Jack Skellington. That's his name. She is obsessed with him. She wears like pajamas. She has sweatpants. She has slippers. So Lupita, if you're watching this, I love you. I can't wait to see you. She lives in Utah, and I hate that we don't live together anymore. It's sad, but I get so excited to see her anytime I go to Utah. But anyways, this video is definitely dedicated to my little sister because she loves Jack and that movie. So anyways, let's go ahead and try this contour stick. So here is the contour side, and then here is the highlighting or the illuminate side. So as you can see, it is a white. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yikes, that is white, y'all. I mean, this is maybe meant for like actual Halloween makeup, so yeah, we're not gonna use this. I am gonna use the contour side, which honestly looks to be a little too light, and it's definitely leaning very cool. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be a no for me. Do you see how gray that is? I'm sure, again, this is meant to be used for actual Halloween makeup, which I don't do. and we're gonna skip on that. So let me jump ahead and do my bronzer because I don't think we have any blushes. Let me see. Unless these are blushes. Yeah, these are definitely not blushes. They are liquid lipsticks. So we're going to set those to the side. I'm going to go ahead and finish or do my bronzer, my concealer, blush, setting powder off camera, and then we're gonna come back and try the blusher, which comes with blush and highlighting shades, as well as the eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited for because usually Wet n Wild has amazing eyeshadow palettes. And this one is really pretty. It's really fun and very in theme with Nightmare Before Christmas. So let me do that and I'll be right back. I'm glad I did a little bit of research because these can be used as lip and cheek tints. I went ahead and swatched them for you guys. Here are the swatches. The purple one obviously is the darkest one. Is called Barrel of Scares, which is very intimidating. And then the top one is like a pumpkin orange, and that one is called On Lockdown. And then the middle shade is called Shock Value. Honestly, I think I'm going to go in with Shock Value. I did apply a tiny bit of blush, but it's not too crazy. I'm only going to apply a little bit because these seem very pigmented, and I do not want to like overly do it with the blush. Oh, that's actually really nice. It's a warm tone, like rosy mauve almost. I'm just going to pick up whatever I have left here. You know what? I'm going to mix it with that orange one. Let's see what kind of color we get. But wow, that's actually really, really pretty. I thought so. I was like, no way, these are just like liquid lipsticks. They have to be at least a blush and a lip tint or something. And thankfully, I looked it up on the Ulta website. They actually have this entire PR kit on sale for $85. So if you guys want to buy it, if you are a collector of Tim Burton or anything like that, I will have it linked. But what do you guys think? That actually looks really pretty. So let's move on to the eyes. I don't know what I want to do for the eyes. Like, I kind of want to go for something crazy, but then I kind of want to go for something soft. I mean, it's Tim Burton and The Nightmare Before Christmas, so I feel like we almost have to create a little dark moments. I'm really, really leaning towards this specific color right here. Oh my gosh, that is just like, gorgeous. Do I want to do that? Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for it. I'm going to start off with a transitional shade. This one up here. It's like a mauve pink, and I'm just going to use that all over the crease. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. This is going to be the first like color that we're going to lay down. Well, this actually matches the blush really nicely, which is kind of like my intention behind picking that color blush, because I had already eyed that color. I was like, okay, that is the perfect peekaboo transitional shade. Honestly, like, you can totally go super natural with this palette, but we're not going to, okay? We're gonna go glam. If there's one thing that I want you to learn, if you're new to my channel, we do glam here, okay? We don't mess around. That color is really pretty. What I'm going to do next, because I don't want to go directly with the black, I'm going to go with this shade, and I'm actually going to lay that down. Actually, you know what we're going to do? Let's switch it up a little bit. Let's see if we can get this to work. Since this is a cheek and lip tint, I'm going to see if I can get this to work on my eyes. So I'm going to lay this down as a base, and then I'm going to go in with that shade and lay it all over the lid. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely stunning. This is definitely a trusted process look. I'm going to take that taupey shade and I'm going to use that to help me blend this color that we just laid down. And this should look absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to drag those same colors to the lower lash line. For the eyes, we also have the Zero to Hero eyeliner, which is, oh, that's really pretty. I don't know that I'll be able to use these today, but it's a silver white shimmer liner. And this one is called Dare to Play. And I'm guessing this is going to be, oh, green. Oh, that is so fun. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And they're actually very, very pigmented. So I'm not going to be using these today because they don't really fit my theme. I may use this one as an inner corner, like a little pop, but I don't think so. If anything, I will go in with this white. So this is supposed to be a tubing mascara. I've honestly never used any tubing mascara, so I don't know exactly what to expect. The formula is a little on like the wet side. It's not too dry, not too wet though, because sometimes mascaras that are that are just too wet of a consistency really weighs down my lashes, and I don't like that. So not a fan of the mascara. If you love tubing mascaras, this might be for you. For me, it did nothing. I'm loving the way the eyes turned out. So I added a little bit of black eyeliner into the waterline since I don't have one. And then I figured this look needed a little bit of an eyeliner since it's so like dark and smoky. So I went in with this Maybelline Tattoo Studio ink pen crayon. I've been really, really into this. And I just stopped about like halfway because I didn't want it to be like a wing liner. And I just used a little bit of the black, if you can see, hold on. I used a little bit of the black to help me diffuse like the little edges. The last thing we're going to test out are the lip products. We have here, I believe these are 2 lip oils. I'm not sure if they're like pH lip change or color changing lip oils. This one is called Truth or Scare. And then we have Too Faced. So let's try them both and see how they look. Oh, I think these are the color changing. My lips are so dry. That smells really nice. Okay, it definitely changes color a little bit. Well, actually, it's changing a lot. And this one is just going to do pretty much the exact same thing. It's very minty. It feels more like a gloss than an oil. If I'm being completely honest with you guys, I'm personally not a fan of these like lip changing, color changing oils. Like they're just too pink for my personal taste. I don't like pink on me. And these tend to be a very bright pink, which is just not my color. They're really pretty. This one leans a little, like a tiny bit purple, and this one is more pink. They're both really pretty, but again, these are just products that I don't reach for. If you like a pH color changing lip gloss slash oil, then you're definitely going to enjoy these. Y'all, I almost forgot about the highlighting blush. Honestly, the blush color is not up my alley, but this gold one, we're gonna try it, and I'm gonna mix it with, should I just tap into all of them? I don't know, that gold is very gold, and I don't know that I love that, but we're gonna add a little bit. Okay. Not bad. It's not a blinding highlight at all. Pero está bonito. Like, it's alright. I think this will look great if you are deeper skin tone because it is a very true gold. But if you're lighter than even me, this is probably going to be too gold and too warm on your skin tone. So, what else do we have to review? Is that everything? Just for fun, I am going to apply a little bit of this little like body oil right here on my chest. Let's see what it's giving. It has like a green iridescent with like pink glitter as well. Oh, that smells like cookies. That smells really good. And can you guys see it? Just kidding. That is actually not bad. Don't know that I'll use it, but it's not bad. Okay, so what are my final thoughts on the Wet n Wild X Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween edition makeup collection? First of all, the packaging, super cute. I'm definitely going to keep this. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm definitely going to keep it because it's so cute. The inside, I think they did an amazing job at just bringing Jack Skellington, the whole movie, to life. If I have to choose a few things from this collection, it would have to be the primer. Definitely have to try it. The eyeshadow palette is so pretty. I mean, these colors, I'm sure you can find them somewhere else, but the palette itself is just very much in theme. Ended up using this white eyeliner in the inner corner, and it's actually stunning, so I do like those. The 2B mascara is another pass for me. The lip oils do change colors, so if you enjoy that, I think you're going to like this. The scent is really pleasant. They're not sticky or anything. They just glide on the lips, and these double up as a blush and as a lip stain, which I didn't use that for lips because it didn't necessarily go with today's look, but the fact that you can use them for your eyes as well, I think is a great thing. So that is my review, you guys. What do you think of this look? Honestly, I am obsessed. I usually don't go this dark with my looks, but for giggles and just trying out new makeup, I really enjoyed this look and I love the way that it turned out. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you going to pick up any of these products today? I'm pretty sure they are available inside Walmart, but I will link them wherever I can find them. So thank you for being here, you guys. I love you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.